Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that deserve your hard-earned money. In today's video, we are going to break down the top 3 Carabiner keychains available on the market. Our team has reviewed many products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our ranking based on many factors such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation. So watch this video till the end. At number 3. Hephis Carabiner Keychains. It is made from durable stainless steel and attached to your belt loop, backpack, or purse. This keychain also has a carabiner clip to make it easy to connect to your keys or bag. It has an ergonomic design, is more labor-saving, easy to use. Its curved design is more consistent with the American hands, bigger, thicker, and heavy-duty. It is made with an eco-friendly zinc alloy that is durable and never rust. At number 2. Gold Lion Carabiner Keychains. It has an easy-to-use spring stopper that will help you keep your keys or other items safe when not in use. The clip is designed for maximum strength and durability to be used for heavy-duty tasks like climbing or camping. This aluminum carabiner is made of high-quality, corrosion-resistant, and non-magnetic material. It is a versatile gear for all your outdoor activities like camping, climbing, or hiking. It can be used with zippers, laptop carriers, suitcases, luggage tags, and hanging plants. At number 1. Lotsun Carabiner Keychain. It is great for holding keys, attaching gear to backpacks, securing tarps and hammocks, etc. This particular model is made from stainless steel and features a 1.57-inch head diameter. These carabiner clips are multifunctional binding, rigging, and anchoring hardware. It is made of premium quality 304 brushed stainless steel, rust-resistant and corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability and dependability. You can open and close easily by using one hand, which allows for quick attachment of keychain. That's all. You can see the latest prices and find out more information about the products we mentioned in this video using the links below in the description. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching our video. Until next time, have a nice day.